Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video I will teach you how to scan documents on the Android. So if you want to scan the documents on the Android, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the CS Cam Scanner, and this application will appear here. So you just have to download it on your phone. I have already downloaded and installed in my phone. So I click open. Now click on the next, click on the continue and click on the allow. Now click on the camera and again click on the allow. As you can see, camera is open now. So simply you have to put a camera in this way, click a picture. Now it's processing. Now click on the next. As you can see, it's scanned now. Multiple filter will also appear here, so it's your choice. And click on the stick button and it's processing. And once you will do it, you have to click on three dot icon and you can import it as a picture, as a PDF, or you can print it according to your choice. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.